passion for people coming to know Jesus Christ as their personal Savior.
Blessed be your name.
I have a passion for people becoming fully, totally devoted followers of the Lord Jesus Christ.
Blessed be your name.
I have a passion for what those crosses and flags represent. A restoration of lives through the power of the cross, and doing what we can here in the Shenandoan Valley to see America return to the moral and family values and the Judeo-Christian values upon which this nation was built.
Turn back to praise when the darkness closes in, Lord. Still I will say, blessed be the name of